Alright, this is the Woodhaven wood rack, 10 feet wide, 4 feet high, about 14 inches wide. Just got the offset smoker, so needs some wood, a lot of wood. The construction's really nice. Got the base, little platforms to help it not sink into the dirt. Hopefully I'll have gravel at some point, but we're gonna have snow here soon, so. But as far as putting this together, it was super easy. Just a few bolts on the ends. In the middle you have these brace plates. But yeah, really good construction. Super excited to load this thing up. Here's the packaging. It came well packed, had all the parts that it said, and was labeled on the box. So it wasn't missing any bolts or nuts. Came with everything, which was always nice. Actually had extra bolts and nuts, so that was helpful. But easy to put together. Pretty much a one-person job. This is where it gets really big. You see the size of the rack, and then you have the center pieces, which stabilize the center, keep it off the ground. Like I said, very easy to assemble, and takes maybe 20-30 minutes. Here's a different angle of the rack coming from the other side, but looks nice. Really excited about it. I couldn't quite fit a half a cord of wood in my truck, but this rack's supposed to hold at least a half a cord more, and maybe a little more. So we'll see when I load it up what it looks like. But also got the seasoning cover that goes on the top, and then a full cover that goes over the whole thing to protect it from the elements. Got my Tundra full with some oak wood. Not quite half a cord, but I'm gonna move this out and load up the rack. Alright, all the wood's gone. Let's go see what it looks like. Alright, here it is. That comes from a Tundra 5.5 foot bed. It's not quite a half a cord. That is a ton of wood though. All oak. Some of it seems seasoned, some of it's kind of wet, so we will see how this goes. But yeah, the rack is sturdy. Ain't going anywhere. I'll put the cover on. Here it is with the full cover. I have the top cover as well, so the wood can actually dry out and season, but we're going to be getting some rain, so put the full cover on. So far, as I've mentioned, super excited with the construction, super excited how it looks. It's going to get the job done ultimately, so. The tarp's pretty heavy duty. I feel like it's going to last a few years, maybe more. But the inside just seems durable. So, yeah. If you're looking for a wood rack, Woodhaven seems to have the setup and the quality. This is Garrett with Smoke a Fatty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you at all, please like and subscribe. It'll help us out.